AcreValue provides powerful tools for analyzing crop data, helping you understand productivity, cropping patterns, and land potential for any parcel. Section 1. Understanding productivity scores. Start with soil productivity metrics like NCCPI, PI, and CPI scores, which rate soil productivity for common crops. These scores are especially valuable in the Corn Belt and Midwest, where crop productivity strongly correlates with land value. Section 2. Using NDVI for vegetation insights. Next, turn on the NDVI Vegetation Index layer to assess crop health and density. This is useful for evaluating current growing conditions, spotting stressed fields, or comparing performance between parcels. Section 3. Reviewing crop history and rotation. View a parcel's crop history and rotation over several years. In regions like the Corn Belt, this helps assess yield stability and sustainability. In other areas, such as parts of the West where permanent crops dominate, rotation may matter less, but knowing what's planted informs long-term land use potential. Section 4. Putting it in context. Combine these insights with filters for crop type, tillable percentage, and acreage to focus on high-performing parcels. Use this data for appraisals, investment decisions, or prospecting, knowing how soil and cropping patterns influence productivity and value. With AcreValue's crop analysis tools, productivity scores, NDVI, and crop history, you can make more informed decisions about agricultural land.